So have you ever been on a social media website and sometimes you just wish you could download the videos that you're watching? So this could be on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever, even from a website. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download these videos. So all you need to do is get your iPhone to go on the App Store. So you want to search for your Apple Store, click on that. And then on the App Store, you need to go and search, click on the search button. And I need you to type in BOLT. It's called Bolt Browser, BOLT Browser. Click on the search and you're going to come up with something like this. I need you to click on the blue one, which is this one with the thunder looking like icon. So because I already installed it, I'm just going to click on the open. In your case, it's just going to be installed. So once you install and open, this is what is going to pop up. So this is how your home screen is going to look like once it brings you to the screen. So here it has browse, you can search as browser, and here it gives you platform from which you can watch videos and immediately install. So just to avoid copyright, I'm going to skip on the YouTube and just go on your Instagram. So for example, if I open on Instagram, so for example, you see, let's say this video, any video I want to watch, I could watch on the video, and then once I hit on the install, it's going to go down, and from here I could see the video that I just installed. So for example, if I'm watching let's just go on YouTube. So for example, if I'm on YouTube, let's go on home. Say I want to install this video, for example, of this guy shooting some rifle. I just need to copy the link from YouTube and go back to my Bolt browser and just click on the search bar and just paste what I copied from YouTube, click on go, and it's going to give me the option to download. So once I download, that's the video from the YouTube. And once I go back to my downloads, yeah, I forgot to explain. Sometimes it gives you ads, but it's optional if you want to pay for this app so that you don't need to see the ads. It's totally up to you. But for me, I'm fine with this, because it's not something I use often and the ads is really short, like barely even a minute. So that's it, guys. So once the ads finish playing, let me see if I could skip that. So once these ads finish playing, I would be able to see the video which I just downloaded to my iPhone. So you see, that's the video that I just downloaded. So let's say, for example, I want to copy this directly to my phone. So all I need to do is click on this button down here, and then it gives me share. So once I click on share, it will allow me to share or save video to my photo library. So once that is done, I can go to my photo library. If this helps, do make sure you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, as it will help me as well to grow. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.